Chace's Revival. Nature a walk at the lake.
Okay, we're gonna go for a walk here up to the trail, and we have to load Chase in the van because the driveway's super steep and his wheelchair won't make it up that. So here we go.
Down this road, it's a winding track, a journey of pain, but I'm not looking back. Each step is a fight, but I'm ready to rise. I'm chasing my dreams with fire in my eyes. This is my time, I'm ready to stand. Here I go again, it's my revival. Fighting my way, I'm ready for survival. I've been knocked down. Moving up, the fire within me can't ever disrupt. With courage I face every dark rainy day. My heart's beating strong, won't let fear have its say. The strength of my spirit can't be contained. I'm a warrior now, no more feeling drained. This is my battle, I won't be denied. Here I go again, it's my revival. Fighting my way, I'm ready for survival. I've been knocked down, but I'll keep moving up. The fire within me can't ever disrupt. This is my story, I'm living it proud. Shouting to the world, I'll stand out loud.
A few moments later.
I've been down this road too many times, fighting battles that test my mind. Each step forward feels like a climb, but I rise up stronger, leaving woes behind. Here I stand, ready to ignite.
So, a whole lot has been going on recently. Chase hasn't posted in a while. Chase and his dad have been overwhelmed while everything. First, Chase no longer has a caregiver, which makes things a whole lot harder on both of them. Imagine a quadriplegic running around with no caregiver. Exactly, he can't. His dad is taking care of himself, his 80-year-old mother, and a quadriplegic. It's been a chaotic mess around here. Chase has been to his primary care doctor, his heart doctor, his lung doctor, and received blood work, heart monitor test results, and a sonogram on top of everything. Let's take a nature walk, and Chase's dad will explain everything. Watch out for deer, keep your eyes peeled. They're everywhere around here.
See, Chase, I don't think you're gonna make it up that one. We'll get to right there and get stuck. What do you think? Yeah, right.
I can totally make it up that little hill. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Really steep trail, a lot of rocks, a lot of snakes in the summertime. But it's for hiking and biking. But he wanted to know if his wheelchair would make it, but obviously not. So anyway, that one goes. Here's your trail advisory warnings and sign and information. And then this is the trail rules. This is a big trail that goes around the lake. So anyway,
The trail rules stated. No motorized vehicles, and Chase didn't bring his manual wheelchair. Plus, he forgot his helmet. All well, next time, right?
This one goes down the hill, like I said, to the lake. Let's go see what it looks like. So it's not too bad right here. But you get over here and it drops off pretty good with huge rocks that obviously his wheelchair won't be able to handle. So, but he is going to get to do a trail right here. So let's let him ride down this trail to say he did it.
Thank you all so much. I'd like to thank the Academy. Also, special thanks to my dad. This hike would not have been possible without you. Good night, everyone.
We made the decision to get rid of all his caregivers. We were down to 2 days a week. We started off 5 days a week, more than that when I was out of town, but we got down finally to 2 days a week and made a decision 6 weeks ago to go ahead and take him full-time on by myself. So my mom helps a little bit when she can, but she's 82, so I take care of her nowadays. Also, doing everything she needs to. She can kind of take care of herself, but she can't drive or go get her own meds, groceries, or nothing like that. So, kind of got 2 of them I'm kind of taking care of. Hers only part-time, thank God. It's been a little harder as I kind of didn't have to worry about him from 7 in the morning after I gave him his morning meds until he woke up from his nap, because they put him down for his nap when they left. So I didn't have to worry about him from 7 a.m. till around 5 or so when he woke up from his nap. So that was nice, but like I said, we decided to go ahead and get rid of caregivers altogether. So 6 weeks in, we're still alive, hadn't killed each other yet. So we tried to park in the handicap spot, but there was a guy there that was doing construction on the facility around, and I guess he had a golf cart so he could go from building to buildings. There's several medical buildings there. They were doing some kind of work, I don't know what, but anyway, so we pull up to the handicap spot, and it's the only spot by his doctor's office there.
So, this is the doctor's office. And here are the handicapped spaces with a wheelchair loading and unloading spot. There's a golf cart in one spot, a handicapped vehicle in the other. So we drove in and noticed the worker's golf cart in the handicapped area that has a designated area for side-loading wheelchair vans. We drove around the building to the other side, and there were several available regular parking spots. We parked unloaded. This whole walkway here is elevated, but since I used the stairs, we had to walk back to the handicapped area to the handicap ramp. About that time, the worker came back to his golf cart. After telling him that is for wheelchairs only, we walked up the handicap ramp and around the corner again to New York Doctor's suite.
But it has a sign, there. The signs all have a wheelchair, picture of a wheelchair on them, not a picture of a golf cart, but I don't know. It happens a lot. Unfortunately, I'm sure there's a lot of handicapped people like him run across the same thing. It's a shame, but a lot of people don't care. Even though I've seen them parking in them and they look like NFL or NBA players or Olympic athletes that are getting out of cars parked in handicap spots. I don't know why the doctors give those out, or if they're driving their handicapped family's car, who knows. But it's sure a shame when you need a handicap spot and there's not one because somebody that doesn't need one is using it. And I'm sure there's tons of other handicapped people that are in his shape has run across it multiple times as well, but it's pretty frustrating. Do what? Now, going back to the doctor's reports, we got out of the PCP after the blood work and checkup and all that, and everything was good. And we went to a liver doctor about a week before the PCP doctor, and the liver doctor did 2 different tests on the sonogram. We had to do that at a different facility, but anyway, we went to the liver doctor for the results and all that. And both of those appeared to be about the same as the previous one he had last year. He's got a couple of new cysts on his kidney, 8mm and a 9mm. And then he's got an existing cyst on his left kidney, so he's got 2 new ones on his right, but then the existing one on the left is 8mm, and it's the same as it was in 2023, so it hasn't grown or anything. So anyway, and then we did the heart doctor as well, and we got the results back on those. It was 2 different tests. I don't remember the name. I think echocardiogram and some other test, but anyway, check for AFib, and all of those turned out good, so no major heart problems, which is a good thing. So anyway, that was all our doctors that we went to recently. So we went over to the liver doctor, called several months ago to first to get the sonogram and the liver test. Or there was 2 tests on his liver, but anyway, the doctor sent us over, told us to get the blood work and go over to the other radiology place to do the 2 tests. And so we got the test done. So we went over to get the lab work done for that, and went over there. I loaded him up, drove over there, unloaded him, got up there, and they didn't have any orders for blood work for him after his liver doctor had called to, told.
We're still looking for deer. They are harder to find during the winter. We're almost there. It's so beautiful out here. We are almost there. This area is a no hunting zone, so people feed them. Most of them are pretty cautious around people, but every now and then you will find one that will come up to eat out of your hand. We usually feed them bread. Instead of throwing away food, Jay just leave it outside. Something will eat it. Deer, fox, bobcat, duck, raccoon.
I've been down this road too many times, fighting battles that test my mind. Each step forward feels like a climb, but I rise up stronger, leaving woes behind. Here I stand, ready to ignite. This is my moment, I'm taking flight. Here I go again, I won't back down. This is my revival, I'm owning this town with rhythm in my